scene. What's good, guys? Welcome along to today's episode and the second episode in the Kawasaki ZX6R Racebike build series. If you're new here, subscribe. The playlist is right up there above now. This is the second episode. In the first episode, I asked you guys what fairing color I should make this bike, what color scheme I should go for the Race ZX6 behind me. In this episode, we are going to take the bike apart. We're going to start checking out what is what. And you can probably see behind me that I've already started. So the rear is already stripped and pretty much with the front as well. But yeah, let's dive into today's episode and see where we stand. Maybe I can even get to the ABS. But a little brief overview of what we're going to do on this bike if you're not aware. Turning it into a full track bike. So it's going to be take the ABS off, get a race air filter, get some velocity stacks, amongst other things, and see where we get to with this bike, see how good it can be making a ZX6R monster. So first things first, let's strip this bike and see what we've got.
show me life, show me energy, show me something. Like we're just, when I'm down in Valley Pool, you know it's peak.
Alright guys, well there's been good progression today. We've taken the tank off, we've taken the rear section off, we've taken the headlight off, exposed the airbox, but obviously haven't opened it up yet. The bike is looking pretty bare, so I'm pretty happy with that. Tank's over there, out of the way. In the future episodes, we're gonna start getting to the good stuff. This has just been a stripping it down episode. I hope you've enjoyed it. This has been episode 2. Episode 3 is coming soon. We've got a lot of stuff to do, so make sure you subscribe and like this video so you don't miss out on episode 3. If you miss episode 1, it's in that card up above. And yeah guys, subscribe and I'll see you soon. This bike is gonna be a beast, believe me. Believe me. Hashtag 130 horsepower. Come on, we can do that. See you in the next one guys. Over man out.